Yeah, I wanted to try out my new pinning mount. I was going to try to key this Sparrows progressive lock, see if I can get it picked open. See, got the hook. And I know this says number 2, but I got 5 pins in this lock. There it is. The core's turning. And this is a slag. Get the back of it off. Follower. What I'm doing is taking the nut off on the back. Probably would be better with the key. See, it's already turned. Just using the key as leverage. There we go. Pin. A little spring. Use my follower. Like I said, I was just using this key as leverage so I can get that little nut off. Hold it steady. Already dropping the pins. As you can see, there's 5 pins, like I said. I know it says 2. It does say 2 on the progressive, but yeah, I've already loaded it up. I just want to rekey it. So what I'm going to do is dump all these pins out right there. Go ahead and get my tweezers. I'm just going to set these to the side. I like to keep it organized, so I don't like losing pins. I'm going to take the key out of the barrel here. The plug, or the barrel, I call it the barrel. I'm going to key it up to this key, which is select key. Yeah, I've been wanting to do some pinning on my new pinning mount. I'm just going to move that to the side and get all the pins out. Key. Do some keying. Set that to the side. Put the key I want in the plug here, or the barrel. It's a game of trying to find what pin goes where. Yeah, dump that out. You just want to keep everything flush, so it's not the second one. The third one. Which way? It's that way. And you always want to keep the rounded end. That's what goes in first, the rounded end. Still not it. But these are right pins. Okay, that one looks pretty flush. Flush. Looks like everything's flush. I like to just run my finger over it, making sure. If you don't want to put it in there, it's not flush, you'll end up breaking your lock. Believe me, I've done that. It sucks trying to fix your lock. To the side. I'm going to put my spring back in. Try to keep this camera. Key. Put my locking pin back in. Start it with my thumb. I need to get a new follower here. Teeth on my followers getting chewed up. What I like to do is tighten it as tight as I can. Once I get it tied up, I'll take like maybe a quarter turn, maybe a half turn back, kind of loosen it up, and I try it out. Make sure it turns. See, key works now. This one, the one that was in it, no longer works. Let's see. Let me pick it one more time. Move that up a little bit. Tension wrench keeps slipping. Come on. Break it. And this is why I rekey it, to get that way I'm not just picking the same lock over and over and over. I'm getting practice on multiple keys. Let's see, I wonder if I can break that with this. We'll give it a shot. That's really how you practice lock picking. You don't want to just pick the same lock over and over and over again. I mean, yeah, you can learn stuff from it, but you don't want to just do the same damn thing over and over again because you don't get a feel for the pins. Like I can feel like I'm on pin 3. Trying to get quick out of it. This tensioning wrench keeps slipping out of it now. That 5th pin, man, it's blocking my hook. I have learned, you just don't want to put very much pressure on these too. I may be just using too much tension. It's just not going to go, is it? I may need to go get another hook, maybe a shorter hook. I'm having so much trouble getting it open. But yeah, I just wanted to pin it up, use my new mat and stuff. I'll probably work with this later. I'll probably do another video showing I got it open with the new key. Just need to kind of test it out, see if I can rake it, and I'll see if I can use another hook. I got all my hooks in the other room and I want to dig them out. Anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed the video and everything. And yeah, I'll make another video and I'll open this lock.